She's been practicing that for the last half an hour. Okay, guys. I'm Ayati and this is a witch.
Welcome to We're just saying Halloween.
Halloween. Ooh, nice.
Okay.
Finally, how do you guys like the setup? We
they will
have done a lot of efforts, clearly. But anyway, so have you ever celebrated Halloween before?
No.
Actually,
In fact,
even
no. I think I've celebrated once.
okay.
But nothing crazy. I just dressed up like a pumpkin. That's it.
Out of all
I'm
things, you
already
had
a
to dress up like a pumpkin.
Because that was the only dress that was available. So I was in my uni days,
Yeah.
and I had those I had my couple of white friends.
Yeah.
They're like, yeah, let's do Halloween. Everybody had like proper dresses. They're like, we have something as pumpkin. I'm like, just give me something which will, I don't know, make me stand out. So I'm
yeah.
like, ah.
I mean, it's still better than mine. I remember I was not even going to go to the Halloween party, and after shift, my friends were like, just come, and I was wearing like black thermals inside.
Oh no,
So,
mine's
I was
better
like-
though.
Yeah, and then I just had some makeup, and then we went clubbing
I
all
mean,
night.
you don't even need any of that.
Yeah, I don't. This is the season for me and other
She
scary
comes out.
looking people.
She comes out in this season.
Yeah, to come out and embrace our scariness.
Yeah. Good job. on that.
Yeah. We also have a garlic. Pallavi didn't know that like there's like this thing, at least in India, where if you want to shoo away like bad energy, you use garlic.
I knew that you take that loha. What do you call English?
Loha?
Iron.
Iron.
no?
Yeah,
Ah.
metal.
Yeah, Iron Man comes in. Yeah, metal.
Iron Man
Sorry. Yeah, metal. I think that you keep that under your.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Dagger. I think something
Something
like
like dagger. Yeah.
that. Oh.
Have you
That's
seen
a-
the Vampire Diaries? I
No.
don't know. I didn't even think of popping this topic. Have you seen?
No.
Oh, that is sad.
Sorry, I've not seen all the classics like Vampire Diaries and Twilight and everything, and I know it's like good Halloween
Those
stuff.
are your movies. Why haven't you watched it?
My movies.
Yeah, I mean,
I belong in them.
yeah,
you
yeah,
mean.
yeah.
No, I'm okay.
Anyway, do you know why Halloween celebrated, Ayanti?
Enlighten me, Pallavi.
I have no
We have
idea.
done our research today.
Yeah, we have done our research, but
Yeah.
whatever you know, tell me why Halloween celebrated.
Actually, I saw it on an Instagram reel that Halloween started in Ireland, and it is like a festival that celebrates like superpowers and the relation between the living and the dead, and
Yeah,
people like dress up in like lots of different attires, and then they do like a nice parade and stuff. Do you
that
know?
is true. You already know, so I don't need to actually tell you anything.
Full marks for this one.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. But yeah, I find it really interesting because do you have you ever experienced any sort of superpower or like anything good or bad? Like,
I do believe in like good and bad.
Yeah.
But I have never experienced anything. I
First
wouldn't
time.
say I wouldn't say that I've experienced, oh, God help me from here, or I saw a ghost. But I do get scared in the nights if I'm walking alone on the street. For me, humans are
More scary.
yeah.
Fair enough.
No, sorry, no, seriously. Like if I'm walking alone on the night,
Yeah.
especially for a woman, if she's walking alone on
Yeah.
the night, it's fine if a ghost comes. Like you can actually, I don't
Yeah.
know, do something and deal with it.
Yeah.
What if a man comes? You know what I mean, right?
Yeah. I
So
get that.
I have not experienced that, but sometimes I get scared if it's like dark, and I think everybody gets scared when it's dark, no?
Yeah, everyone does. I mean,
Yeah.
the lack of vision makes everything scary anyway. So
Yeah.
yeah.
I never look behind. So whenever I'm in the room
Yeah.
or I'm somewhere walking, and if there is any sound that's coming from behind, I never look. Would you look back if you're walking on the street and late in the night, like after 12:30, and somebody shouts your name, Ayati?
I think there's a reason why we don't have eyes on the back.
So you fucking don't look back. I'm not
I-
going back home
No.
alone, Ayati. You're dropping me. I'm sorry after this.
That's true. But no, like it's crazy, right? Like same street in the daylight and in the night feels extremely worlds apart.
Yeah.
Like in the night, it feels like 100 times more scary. And I agree. Like sometimes I feel like someone's following me or someone's behind me. I'm like, I'll live in denial. I will not turn around. I'll
Yeah, I'm
just
like,
keep
if
going.
somebody needs to come in front and we'll talk.
No, please don't
I'm
come.
not, no, I mean, if I'm walking alone in the night
Yeah.
and I feel like this is something which is unnatural
Uh,
and something might happen, I start with Hanuman Chacha, Jai Hanuman Gyan Gur Sagar, Jai. I'm like, Hanuman ji
yeah.
bacha lenge bhai.
Yeah.
Hanuman ji is gonna save me.
I know a lot of people who use Hanuman Chalisa as like a protection. But
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, I do that. What
Yeah.
do you do?
I think if I were to ever come under the circumstance, I would just be all religion. I would be like Hanuman Chalisa. I will show
Jesus,
cross.
Jesus,
I will.
Jesus.
I will
I
whatever.
would show this the Nag and all.
Whatever religious things I know, I will probably do to save myself. But I have like not like luckily touch wood, I haven't come across
Me
any
neither. See, that's good.
experience. But I know people. I know like
Really?
personally, I know people who have experienced like a lot of things. And also like I feel like in Indian families it's very common for certain people to get like mata chadna, you know? Have you
Yeah, I've heard of
yeah?
that, and I don't know how that happens. That should not happen
Yeah.
to anybody, but no, I don't know. I feel like,
Yeah.
yeah, I don't know. I
I've
mean, I
seen.
believe in things like
Yeah.
that.
And
Okay.
I don't necessarily like think it's a bad thing. It's like sometimes positive energy is also in the person. But
Yeah, and yeah.
yeah, it always like makes me really wonder about like
How?
humans and like
Yeah, right.
special powers and stuff. But I have a funny story actually when it
Nice.
comes to ghosts. So I used to live in a hostel for my university, and like three girls were living opposite to my room, and we had like wardrobes inside our room, and they could hear someone knocking from inside the wardrobe,
Just as a goosebump.
like but from inside the wardrobe, which is like crazy, right? And they complained to my hostel warden like we can hear knocking from inside the like the wardrobe. She was like maybe it's like from the next room or
That's what I was
something.
gonna say.
Yeah. And they're like, no, no, no. We asked like the girls from the next room. They didn't knock on the their side of the wall. And you know what the solution the warden gave them? Just lock your wardrobes and sleep.
What the heck? भूत बाहर नहीं आएगा क्या? Warden madam.
I mean, nothing happened. We all slept. But I was like, the warden has seen so many things that she's like, "अरे ये तो होता रहता
I don't give
है."
a damn about it now.
Yeah, just lock करके सो जाओ, कुछ नहीं है. But yeah, it's a bit scary sometimes when people tell me stories like that.
Wait, but what happened? Where were you listening the voice from? Like, who was knocking?
We don't know. We seriously don't know. It's still date. But I just find it
That is
hilarious.
not funny.
I just find it hilarious that the
So
warden
you
gave
lived
them
in
a
the
solution.
same room.
No, right opposite to mine. Like right.
Oh, thank God you were not in that room.
Yeah.
I don't have any stories like that, but then I remember I was in my uni accommodation,
Yeah.
and the girl next door,
Yeah.
uh, like twice it happened, I guess. She'll scream late in the night. Okay, after
Oh.
like half 12 or 1:30, she'll scream, and then she'll be like, I don't know what happened, and she'll start sweating and all.
Oh.
And she wouldn't know what really happened.
Yeah.
She's just like, I saw something, but she doesn't know what she
Oh.
saw. It happened like twice,
A
and
lot
then
of people get sleep paralysis. Maybe that's that.
could be, but we never really thought. And then the next day we started doing all puja and all. I was like,
Aw.
yaar, kuch to
Poor
hoga.
girl.
Yeah, but then it just happened twice.
Yeah.
But then after that, she was fine.
I've
Yeah,
heard
that
a
was.
lot about sleep paralysis actually. Few friends of mine do have that. Like it's
What
basically
what is happening now?
in your sleep only, like you basically lose control of your body. Like you
Really?
can see yourself in third person. Sometimes you see a lot of like figures and stuff as well. And for
Seriously?
some people it's a bit like horrifying, but for some people it's a bit manageable. But I wouldn't wish that on anyone.
Yeah. Not to be like, it's not a scary thing, but what if I would ask you a question? The city is full of zombies and you need to escape from them, but then they are everywhere. They are just like eating people randomly.
Yeah.
And dead people are like on the ground as well. What would you do to save yourself from them in that moment?
I've watched a lot of zombie video games. And this
I've
is
watched
where my
movies.
knowledge comes from on this topic is you can I think take that blood from like dead people and put it on yourself and
Then
pretend to
start
be
walking like,
no pretend to be like dead so they don't eat you. And the second thing is like zombies are slightly weak in the knees, so you have to kick them on the back of your knees and then they fall.
she had
Yeah.
have you been into
Answer
one of
prepared.
the zombie cities or what?
And I think I was reading this, but some people were saying TK Maxx would be like the best place to be in a zombie apocalypse.
One of our friends worked there.
No,
And
but
she
they were
loves
like,
Halloween.
makes
It all
sense.
makes sense.
So TK Maxx is like a department store where you get a lot of clothes, furniture, food,
Why would people
everything.
say that though?
And it's a nice big cozy space. If you just lock it up really well, you have all supplies inside. You can like survive really well inside a TK Maxx.
Fuck, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Hmm.
That's my answer. What would you do?
I mean, mine was quite similar as well.
Yeah.
I would just same thing, pretend to be dead, and or else I go a little crazy as well. I'll also put all blood and I'll start walking like this, just have fun.
Like I don't get nightmares, okay? And this time
Touch wood,
yeah,
shouldn't me also.
that's why I'm on this table the whole time.
That's why
like,
we're
touching the
touching
wood.
literally.
But yeah, I got like this nightmare of a zombie apocalypse and it was very scary. Like I got up in the middle of the night, I switched on the lights on, I drank some water and I was like, it's okay, it's gone now. I will sleep. The dream continues. My zombie dream continues
I heard
right where
something
it
from
left.
the back.
It's just my heater, bro.
Okay,
Calm
sorry.
down.
Shit.
So my scary dream continued, and I have to fight zombies in my dream again. And then I was like, you know what? Let me wake up once and for all. And I woke up again, and then I was like, "Ek ghanta jaaye de." Like after 1 hour, I'll go back to sleep. It continued again,
What the heck?
but my brain is so weird. The way the dream ends is that all zombies die, and I find a vada pav ka gadi. That's how dreams are, right? Am I the only one?
Oh, no. I fly.
Oh.
I fly. So I'll be running.
Hmm.
No, I'll be first walking. And then
Yeah.
I brisk walk.
Yeah.
And I sprint and then I fly.
Wow.
Yeah, that happens in my dream. Thanks.
Yeah.
Skydiving की जरूरत नहीं है मेरे को खुद ही उड़ लेती हूँ.
Free में.
Hmm.
Oh, without any efforts. But what is this fascination we humans have, right, with ghosts and everything super normal? Because every time I go to a camping trip, for some reason around the bonfire, everyone has to tell some
ghost
sketchy. And I actually get really freaked out, and I don't have a lot of stories, honestly. But everyone, and it's like even the people who are scared, they'll be like, "नहीं नहीं नहीं
नहीं
सुनना है
सुनना है,
मुझे."
but they'll still listen.
Then एक कान से
And
सुनेंगे
रात
सब
को
लोग.
उनको ही सपने आते हैं. पागल
फिर
लोग.
सबको सोने नहीं देते थे. Like, what is this fascination? Why do we do this to ourselves?
True, I have no idea.
But I thought you're one of them because
No.
this woman took me to like a scary movie in the theaters. I don't watch scary
Which
movies at
movie?
all. I would say Final
No,
Destination
it
is a
wasn't
bit
scary.
scary.
She's just
gory.
not used to like
it's gory.
thrill,
Like not scary. It's gory.
thriller वगैरह.
Yeah,
maybe
yeah.
she doesn't like.
Yeah.
I'll tell you.
Okay, another funny story. Okay, so this is back in the day when like Facebook was a thing, and like someone clicked a picture of this lady on the terrace, and she wasn't moving only for so long, and it became a really popular thing in my school. She was like, she had black hair, and like she was wearing a white dress, and everyone was just like making that photo so viral, and someone actually did the steps and went onto the terrace and checked who is she, and it was a pipe with like a black plastic bag.
Oh no!
Hilarious, but yeah.
Yeah, I was just checking those places. It's just one of those buildings, you know. They say that it's very scary. Like, I'm not able to find the name of it. Some D'Souza Chawla or what do you colony? Yeah, some colony it was. I just don't know if anybody knows. Just tell us what the building is because I remember I used to work in like one of these places in Mumbai, okay? And it was a night shift. So we used to go for the night shift. And I don't know what is this thing with people, okay? Night shift pay, when you go down on break, people will have this like smoke break and stuff. They'll go out. And bahar, of course, it's dark. They'll start talking about ghost stories. And they'll be like, आगे से जाके left में this colony.
Yeah.
People have heard
Yeah, yeah,
different
yeah,
different
yeah.
voices coming out from there. Yeah,
Hmm.
I don't know what is this
It's not
fantasy.
just colony, it's also like some places under the bridge or some highway ka end or some spots,
Yeah, yeah, there are
particularly
spots
in
like that.
Mumbai. And I feel like certain people, they see like ghosts a lot more than other people. Like even in like mythology, it's said that
Yeah,
a certain kind of people who will encounter ghosts more than the other
that's what
kinds.
I'm very fascinated about all of those things, but I
Yeah.
still don't want to
I
know
don't
about
want
all
to
of
take
those.
about.
No, I'm really fascinated.
Yeah.
Like, how does this happen? Because there is somebody like us who have never experienced anything. There are people that we know or
Hmm.
are there who experience these things on a daily basis, how
Yeah.
their life is so different from us,
Hmm.
right? I've also heard this that dogs or cats,
Oh, yes.
they understand that this person I am having goosebumps, this person has a presence of
Yeah.
something in
Yeah.
their body, or like something is there, and they
Yeah.
start barking at them.
If you're a
Yeah.
dog or a cat, comment on this video.
Oh,
But this ghost thing seems pretty universal, right? Like no matter which culture you go,
इसमें सब सेम है.
या हर कल्चर के पास एक घोस्ट स्टोरी रहेगा ही या फिर एक ऐसे सुपर पावर वाला स्टोरी तो रहेगा ही आई
True,
थिंक
true.
या like even if you go into the west you will find it even in east. In fact, like we're very close to Scotland right now. Scotland is one of the best places for a lot of like
True.
scary lores and everything. I
Yeah.
went to the Loch Ness lake as well, and the Loch Ness is most popular for the Loch Ness monster, right? Like apparently a monster lives in that lake or something. Yeah, but वैसे like I feel like the more older places, the
Yeah,
more
the more stories.
stories that are still preserved there.
Stories, no? Let me tell you guys some Halloween stories.
Yeah. So we have some stories that we have sourced from online sources, and Pallavi would like to read them.
Oh, I would like to, but I don't know
Yes.
if I should or not because I don't want to get scared late in the night. The knock at the door.
Okay.
Okay. A few years ago, a woman in Ohio stayed home alone on Halloween night, handing out candies. Around 11 p.m., after the trick or treats had stopped,
Hmm.
she heard one last knock on the door. She peeked through the peephole. No one there. Thinking it was kids playing a prank, she ignored it. Then her doorbell rang twice, followed by slow steps on the porch. She called out, "I'm not opening the door," and sound stopped. When she checked again, there was nothing except a single small plastic pumpkin bucket sitting on the doormat. Inside was a note that said, "Thanks for the candy. See you next year." What the heck was that, Ayati? Am I supposed to like get scared? Whoa, she hadn't given candy to anyone like that all evening.
What?
Yeah. The next morning, she checked her Porsche camera footage. It had gone black exactly at 11:59. Sorry, 10:59.
This technology malfunctioning at the right time is a very
Yeah. This
big
has
thing,
been
no?
proven, no? कहीं भी कुछ भी देखो, you will
हमेशा
never
सीसीटीवी
find.
फुटेज चले जाता है, कैमरा बंद हो जाता है, समथिंग it's that always interests me a lot actually.
Yeah. एक और देखने की कोशिश करती हूँ. So this story is in अंधेरी, okay? अंधेरे के एक पुराने बिल्डिंग में नई लड़की किराए पे रहने आई थी. नाम था रिया. ऑफिस से रात में देर से लौटने की आदत थी उसे.
Hmm.
बिल्डिंग की लिफ्ट बहुत पुरानी थी, अक्सर झटके खाया करती थी, इसलिए ज़्यादातर लोग सीढ़ियाँ लेते थे. They used to take stairs. एक रात करीब 12:30 बजे वह बहुत थकी हुई थी. सोचा, लेट्स टेक अ लिफ्ट. उसने लिफ्ट का बटन दबाया, दरवाज़ा खुला, अंदर कोई नहीं था, लेकिन किसी ने अभी अभी सिगरेट जैसा धुआं छोड़ा हुआ था. उसने बटन दबाया, 6th फ्लोर. लिफ्ट ऊपर चलने लगी. फिर अचानक इन बिटवीन 4th and 5th फ्लोर लिफ्ट रुक गई. एंड इट स्टार्टेड फ्लिकरिंग द लाइट्स. शी टुक अ फोन आउट. नेटवर्क नहीं था. तभी पीछे से किसी ने कहा, डोंट गो ऑन द 6th फ्लोर. She got really scared. पीछे मुड़ने की हिम्मत नहीं हुई इसकी. बत्तियां फिर जली. लिफ्ट अब 6th फ्लोर पे थी. दरवाजा खुला और बाहर कोई नहीं था. बस उसी सिगरेट की गंध और जलता हुआ टुकड़ा फर्श पर पड़ा था. So there was a cigarette on the floor. अगले दिन वॉचमैन ने बताया 3 साल पहले 6th फ्लोर पर एक आदमी लिफ्ट में फंस कर मर गया था. And he was smoking a cigarette.
Oh my god.
Bro, while I was like literally reading, you won't believe I had goosebumps. Like, it's like I'm living
That
into
story.
that moment.
Yeah.
I'm that girl who's watching happening everything,
Yeah.
you know? It's so scary.
Felt like this was a campaign for no smoking or something. But 'cause
Yeah, you shouldn't smoke because you'll die. Shit.
But
Oh
it
no.
it was genuinely scary. You know
It
what
was
it
scary, bro.
reminded me? Like it said, no, not to go on 6th floor. Have you heard about anything being number 13 is a bad omen?
Oh, thank God I wasn't born on that day.
So, like, Friday the 13th.
No, I
and-
haven't heard.
Oh,
Tell me.
so yeah, 13 is generally considered like an unlucky number and like
Really?
it gets associated with a lot of bad reputation. So, because of that, a lot of hotels and restaurants won't have a number 13. Like a hotel won't have a room number 13.
Really?
Restaurants don't have table number 13 a lot of the times. And
Wow.
like a lot of buildings, like apartments also, instead of having floor number 13, they will have floor number 12A or something.
Oh, I never knew that.
Yeah.
Is it like India thing or it's like universal?
I think it's a bit universal. Friday the 13th is, I think, a bit universal, but like not having 13th floor completely is, I think, an India thing. But
Yeah, Indians just take it extreme, okay?
Yeah.
13th, nikal do.
we will do
Numbering से nikal do 13th.
as much as possible to avoid bad
Maybe हमारे
energy.
यहाँ ही ज़्यादा
We
रहेगा.
will put Nimu Mirchi on like the trucks and the gadis. We will not take a black car and stuff like that. But yeah, there's a lot of Kala Jadu going on in a lot of places. So, I mean, like, if there are ghosts, there are ghosts. I'm okay with it. There's good energy, bad energy, everything. My best part about this whole scary thing is we get some of the best movies and shows because there's a whole category called horror. Do you have any recommendations that people should probably watch during Halloween?
During Halloween, I would say if people haven't watched Vampire Diaries, you should go for it.
Yeah.
And if you talk about something in Bollywood, I think Bhool Bhulaiya can be
Oh,
the best
Cannot beat
thing
that.
for you to watch.
Yeah.
We give them proper entertainment. I love it. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, this is Sasbo. But yeah, you should watch Bhool Bhulaiya and anything English, Vampire Diaries. Love Vampire Diaries. Twilight, if
Yeah.
people haven't watched, it's the best thing.
Yeah.
But yeah, you guys should go watch Vampire Diaries if you haven't, and Bhool Bhulaiya, of course.
Yeah.
What are your suggestions to
My suggestions would be Stree, definitely, because I think it's the best combination of horror and comedy. I love horror and comedy together.
If it's
And
horror, it should be just horror, not comedy.
whatever. And I actually really, really like, it's not as scary, but it's a bit creepy. I really like Andhadhun, the movie Andhadhun with Ayushmann Khurrana,
I forgot. Oh, yeah.
where
No, actually, it's good. Yeah, good
yeah,
suggestion.
it's a mystery
suggestion.
suspense thriller kind of movie. I really like that for sure. Yeah.
You guys have anything, tell us, because
Yeah.
we're gonna have a movie night on Halloween.
Yeah.
So if we need to watch anything because our friends are coming over, so we'll just have like a nice little movie night.
Yes.
So we want to watch something horror. So tell us if you have any suggestions for us.
Yes. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this
Like.
video and
And-
comment even if you have any more scary stories for us.
Yes, please. So we can read it because we're gonna do like a little comment reading session. You guys don't comment, so we're not
Storytelling.
reading your comments.
Yeah.
But like other people's.
Yeah. You guys don't comment. Yes, please
That was
comment your
all.
thoughts. If you enjoyed watching this video, stay tuned and thanks a lot for watching.
Okay, I think that's it for us then. We'll see you guys
Cut.
later.